In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Zoho Analytics. Zoho Analytics is a powerful tool that allows you to analyze and visualize your data efficiently. Whether you're working on a large project or managing a smaller data set, creating a table is one of the fundamental tasks you'll need to master. Let's dive in and ease into the navigation of Zoho Analytics. To kick things off, head over to your Zoho Analytics workspace. From here, you'll see a variety of options, but our focus today is on incorporating new data. So, click on Import or Add Data. This is where you'll be able to begin importing your datasets from various formats. Next, you'll need to click on Import Data, Create New Table. This is the gateway to importing external data into Zoho Analytics. You'll notice a list of options for importing data from different file types like Excel, CSV, HTML, XML, JSON, statistical files, and even MS Access files. This allows you to bring in data from virtually any format you're working with. Select the appropriate format for your data source. As you proceed, don't forget to name your table. This might seem trivial, but having a meaningful name for your table can save you a lot of time when managing multiple tables in the future. Give it a clear and descriptive name so that you and others on your team can easily identify it later. Now, it's time to choose your file location. The flexibility here lets you import a file from your local drive or directly from cloud storage services. Navigate to the location where your file is stored and select the file you wish to import. Once you've selected your file, simply click Next. This step begins the process of preparing your data for import. It's a good time to double-check that you've selected the correct file with the data structured in the way you intended. After this, click on Step 2 of 3, Create Table, Import, and then proceed by clicking Next again. Zoho Analytics will guide you through the remaining setup, helping ensure your data is properly formatted for analysis. Finally, click Create to complete the table creation process. You might find this step quite satisfying, as all your data import efforts come together. When the system confirms your data importation is successful, click Close. This confirmation is your assurance that your data is now safely and correctly set up within Zoho Analytics and ready for further analysis. With these steps, you've effectively created a table in Zoho Analytics, setting the stage for deeper data analysis and insights. As you grow more familiar with these procedures, you'll begin to uncover new ways to harness the full potential of your data within Zoho Analytics. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing.